Hey YouTubers and Airsoft fans, ETM M1A1 back again for another review of the 1928 Chicago Typewriter, also known as a Tommy gun. It's the same brand that makes the cyber gun automatic Thompson, the M1A1, and just a few facts about it. It features a removable stock, a foregrip handle, and this is the only Thompson that dons the drum magazine. So this gun was famous during the Prohibition era, around the 1920s to 1930s, excuse me. It was also famous throughout the police force that was used, and also it was famous for the Valentine Day Massacre. So that was a few features about this gun. Shoots 230 FPS when it was tested with 0.2 gram BBs. And this is the only gun that I didn't get from Evike. This was the first gun I used a couple years ago. Very good beginner's gun. So yeah, let's take a look at the box. Alright, so I got this Tommy gun from Airsoft.com. It's a pretty good site, not as good as Evike, but it's okay. So the few stuff that comes with this gun, it comes with the manual. It tells you how to use the drum magazine and how to work the 28 Thompson. And then it comes with this 600 rounds drum mag, so pretty much you will never run out. And then here's a 24 round stick mag that comes with it. It's behind all this boxing, so make sure you look at that if you're going to get this gun. It's behind there. Cleaning rod, and then the 1928 Tommy gun itself. So overall, it's a pretty good beginner's gun if you're going to use it. Say like your kid wants an airsoft gun who's getting into it. This is a good gun for him or her. It doesn't shoot that hard, and it also has a built-in spin-up system. It's kind of like a hop-up, but you can adjust it, so it shoots pretty far. So let's take a closer look at the 28 Thompson. Okay, so let's start with the buttstock of the gun. As I mentioned earlier from the box, this stock is removable. As you can see right here, there's a button right here. You just pull that, and it slides off. So now your Tommy gun is able to have that, not have that stock on. So I found that was pretty convenient because there were times where I didn't like the stock, so I just took it off, and then you just slide it back in, like so. So there you go. Everything is plastic on this gun. Made a good ABS plastic. Move on to the trigger. The trigger is right here, and then here's that foregrip. This is the only Thompson out of all of them that has this foregrip. This is the only one. This is Spring 1928 Thompson. The M1A1 does not have this. So I'm going to the other side. Here's your safe. Here's your safe and fire. You just move it like that, and then when you cock the gun, you use this. And just cock all the way back, and then you just pull the trigger and then it shoots. And then also, different feature about this gun from the other Thompson is that it has these little rings right here that gives it a different look. And then here's the barrel. This had an orange flash hider, but the tip broke off, but it's removable like that. It looks weird, but just keep it on. So the orange tip just came off. So yeah, those are the differences about this Tommy gun from the other one. It is the only one that has the foregrip like that, the handle foregrip, and a removable buttstock, and that unique ring look on the barrel. So yeah, this is the 1928 Thompson, and let's go on to the drum magazines. Okay, so now I'll show you guys the different kind of magazines it comes with. So when you first purchase this, it'll come with your 24 round stick magazine and then your 600 round drum magazine. So here's the stick magazine. Kind of looks like the M1A1's magazine. Same kind of feature, but this time you just pull this down all the way, and then you feed the BBs one by one in here. So that's your 24 rounds right there. It's pretty convenient. And then here's your 600 round drum magazine. The only one that comes with is for the spraying, not the automatic. Remember that. So then when you want to load it, you see this little trap door. You push that down, and it slides like that. And then we want to take some BBs, and you just pour that in there, but a lot more. You just pour in there, and then you just close the door. And then on the directions here it says wind 9 times until you hear 9 clicks, and then you can let go or wind up. You just wind and wind and wind and wind. It's kind of like a high cap kind of, and then let go, and then your baby should be popped up right there. So that's your 600 round magazine. So then when you want to either load it, kind of looks like the other Tommy. You put it like so, and it's in there. So there's your Tommy gun with the drum magazine. it stays in there kind of okay, but sometimes it tends to slip out. It's not like the M1A1 where it's in there pretty good. It's locked up, it won't shake loose or anything like that. So overall, it's okay magazines. But yeah, once again, 600 rounds you won't run out in a long time. So it's a good beginner's gun if you guys are starting to get into airsofting. So yeah, I'll give you a final overview in the next segment. Alright, so I'll just give my final opinion of the 1928 Thompson. What else I can say? It's a good beginner's gun for those who are just getting into airsoft before they buy a really nice gun. Saying some pros and cons. The pro part of it has a good 1928 vintage look with the movable stock, the drum mag, and the handle grip foregrip. Overall, it's pretty good beginner's gun. And the only thing I don't like though is when you're playing and you're constantly shooting with the drum mag. It gets tiring to constantly cock the gun because it gets really tiring to pull this back every now and then. It gets really tiring, but it's a good gun to keep, vintage gun to hold. I like it because one, there's a sight back here you can lever up, and there's two little attachments I went here, but I lost those pieces because they fell off. It didn't hold that well. And also the removable stock, so you have that free movement without that stock being there. And then the magazine you can just pull out and take out, and just so you don't have to, you can use either the stick or drum magazine. So yeah, it's a pretty decent gun for those who are just starting to airsoft, just like I said. So I got this at Airsoft.com and bought 2 drum mags and a bunch of BBs with it. So yeah, your Tommy gun, 1928 Thompson. I'll give another firing run for this too, like with my other guns as well. Just need some time to put those videos up and make the videos is all. I'm pretty busy with school and whatnot, yada yada yada. So yeah, this is my review of the 1928 Chicago Typewriter. And thanks guys for watching again. Support my video, subscribe, and spread the word about this other video. And then I'll give a comparison review between this Thompson and then the M1A1. So, the ET M1A1. Thanks again for watching, guys, and peace out.